What's up, bitch? Anyway, so today I'm with my sister. It's a girl Diane. Nenda ukasubscribe kwa channel yake kama bado hujasubscribe. Afu usisahau kuondoka, usipoondoka hapa hujasubscribe pia. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to our channel. Afu nisambiwa kwangu nimejikuta sijanyosha, but anyway, that's not so lazima kunyosha. So today tumetoka Missy here.
No,
Simu yake. Okay, we are going for an outing.
Yeah.
This is our Valentine's weekend getaway. Tuko tuna getaway tunaenda kwa Valentine. Uongo. But anyway, we are going out and we are together today. So yeah. Blah blah blah. This content might be available in 2 channels. Inaweza kuwa kwenye my sis channels, kwenye my sister's channel na kwenye channel yangu pia. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to her channel too for more content. And yeah, stick with us throughout the way. Actually sijui hata tunafanya nini lakini tunaenda kutembea. That's the point. So yeah, stick around and we hope you enjoy.
Remind you, we are just doing
Xoxo.
exercises. We left our car at home.
Yeah, we're just doing exercises actually. Our cars are at home, our Mercedes Benz and Rolls Royce. Yeah, so yeah. Any questions? Drink water and mind your business. Business. That's on par. So as you can see and as you can tell, hali ya hewa sio nzuri sana. It's raining for a while now. And tumetoka tu hivyo hivyo tukasema ngoja tutoke. And as you can see we are taking wamepita hapo watushangaa kwani nini. Anyway, na niliu. What was I saying? Nilikuwa nasema we are taking precautions of coronavirus. Though we are not 6 feet apart. Move away. But we are wearing we are wearing masks.
But just wear this thing, I don't know what.
Yeah, for your protection. Protect your families, protect your loved ones. We are protecting each other. Can't you see? We love each other and we are protecting each other. Use sanitizers, wear masks, stay 6 feet away from each other, and people are staring at us like we're doing crazy things. So, okay. It is raining and we are waiting for boda boda. We are waiting for something to carry us. Oh, there it is coming. There. Nitaka there you can see there. Yes, there by far it's coming. So tumekaa hapa tunasubiria boda boda. Alafu boda boda mbili zimefuatana zikatupita. Kama sisi si watu, sisi ni magogo. Kwa hiyo kwanza alipopita nikamwambia fuck you. Na pia alipopita nikamwambia you too. Kwa hiyo waende zao. Wapite.
They don't see us.
Yani we are like magogo. We're like here, yani we have no difference with that tree over there. That tree there. We have no difference from that. There is another one coming. Let's see. If he passes. Yes, fuck you. Twice the ones I've fucked you. Twice. What am I saying by twice? So I was here with Diana. Diana reminded me of something. Hey, do you see my dimple? Oh, no. Diana, show us your dimple. Show us your dimple. Tuonyeshe alichokupa mama. This is what is called being crazy on the road. Tuko tunarekodi alafu there is a car passing us and we are just there. Bye. Ciao. But anyway, the boda boda is here. Let's go. What I wanted to say is Valentine is coming. Where is your boyfriend and your girlfriend? Where is she? Where is she? What the hell?
This is our safari.
This is our ride for today. We are enjoying ourselves. Yeah, we are enjoying. kusema ukweli niko nimeshikia tu hivi, lakini naogopa mtu akisnatch hii phone akiondoka nayo. I'll be dead though. I say Valentine is coming. Where is your boyfriend? You are sitting at home, lonely.
I'm thinking.
I think it's no more Valentine is coming. No, Valentine is here. Where is your boyfriend? Where is your girlfriend? Where are they? Nikajua simu we, sorry. Yani. So the current location is Mbezi. But we have arrived, and yeah. So the current location is Mwisho. If you guys know the place, we are here because we're trying to repair a phone. So yeah, we don't want to miss those Valentine's statuses that you're going to put and Instagram stories about Valentine's. So we are here to repair a phone, and then we'll be back on schedule. Yeah, so this is just a random video. It's just us having fun. Is this having fun actually? I don't know. But this is us having fun, laughing, going around the places, and there she's just dealing with the phone. Yeah. So Valentine is coming. Are you waiting to be bought things, to be bought chocolates? Wasubiria kununuliwa. Mimi I'm doing shopping for myself. So as my sister, she's busy finding chocolate bars and milk to support herself on Valentine. Kwa nini uwe sad? Kama hauna Valentine, kwa nini uwe sad? You can be there for yourself. You can be there for yourself, like how my sister is struggling to be there for herself. Like, oh, I'm struggling, I am doing shopping, so let's buy some bars of chocolate. Silagi chocolate, spend chocolate, but my sister does. Do you like chocolate? Naona sasa amechanganyikiwa zaidi, anaenda hadi kwenye coffee. Sijui anatafuta nini kwenye coffee.
Kuna baridi.
Lakini yeah, we are finding some things to chow. Be there for yourself, Put yourself first. Don't wait for somebody to put you first while you can put yourself first. So hivyo video ndio imesha kama hivyo, kwa sababu yeah, we had nothing really interesting to do. We were just laughing and going around. Lakini pia our moods went off suddenly because of some people and some things. So we're back home, and we bought some things also for some Valentines and stuff. But yeah, everything is good. Tutajua mbele kwa mbele. Either way, don't forget to subscribe on my channel and like this video, share, and go to my sister's YouTube channel and subscribe. See you next time if God wishes. Sorry for if this video is boring or something, but yeah, love you.